Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com, and this is a video I've been meaning to do for quite some time, and it involves a very special person in my life who is here. You going to introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I'm Ellie.
So this is my daughter Ellie, and I promised her for quite some time now, didn't I, that we'd build a computer, but I'm not going to be building it, am I?
No.
Who's going to build it?
Me.
So this is either going to go extremely well or really, really bad, isn't it? Yeah, but we've spoke for a few things, and you kind of know what we're going to be doing.
Like in there is a case and there's a motherboard.
Yep.
Right there.
No, that one's not the motherboard, that's the graphics card. But we'll get there, so let's do this. So me and Ellie have been going through kind of what all the components are. So this is the first one. What is it?
CCD.
No, close. An
SSD.
SSD, yeah. So we have the Patriot Scorch M.2 256 gig SSD. I know, it's a lot of numbers and a lot of letters. But basically, we chose this because it's going to be really, really fast at loading all the games and stuff like that, okay? Yeah? Right, next one is this one. It's another 3-letter word one. What is it? The CP... CPU. Yep, so we've gone with the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. Now the reason we've gone for this was, well, AMD actually gave it to us, so thank you very much to AMD. Just like Patriot gave us this, and all the other brands actually, you know, contributed to this. So I want to say thank you to everyone who's actually done that, first and foremost. Now, we went with the 2200G because I was going to go with kind of an APU-based system, but I'll get on to why we didn't a little bit later because we actually went with a graphics card. But a very, very good processor and is going to be perfect for what we need it to do. What's this? Memory, yep. So we've got the Patriot Viper RGB in white because the whole kind of theme behind this build is going to be a bit kind of bright and white and pink. Yeah, you want it to look like a unicorn. So we're going to do that. So DDR4, this is a 16 gig kit, 3200 megahertz. So thank you to Patriot for that. As I say, we did manage to go for a graphics card. So this is a graphics card, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, so this is a graphics card. We've gone with the Asus GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This is the Expedition version. Pretty much, we asked Asus for a graphics card. That's kind of what they came through with. 1050 Ti is going to be more than enough. Because what kind of games are you going to be playing?
Sims 4.
Sims 4, yeah. Anything else?
I might watch films.
You might watch films. Okay, so yeah, we've got all the components here to, you know, sort of make that a reality. What is this? It goes on top of the CPU. It's the CPU.
Cooler.
CPU cooler. So Cooler Master came through with the Master Air G1000M. We wanted something that was going to be low profile and wanted something that was going to look really nice, didn't we? And does that look really nice? Yeah. So we went for that. And then motherboard wise, that is the case, but we're going to get to that in a little bit, yeah? So what's this? The
motherboard.
Yeah, it's not the fatherboard, is it? I know, it's not right, is it? So this is the motherboard. So we've got the ROG Strix B350i Gaming. So it's not the latest, it's not B450, but B350i is going to be perfect. Has Wi-Fi, it's small form factor, has a little bit of RGB on there as well, so everything that we need there. And then the case, or chassis. We've gone for the Inwin A1. This is a mini ITX tower case, built-in power supply, and is going to house all this stuff really nicely. And we should actually still have a little bit of room in case in the future we want to water cool it and go custom loop, which maybe we'll do that in another video. So do you think we should start building it now?
Yeah, the other word for case makes me laugh.
What, chassis?
Yeah.
Yeah, why does it make you laugh?
Because it sounds like you're saying fussy.
Fussy? That's not even a word. Right, should we build it? Or should you build it? Yeah?
I want help from you.
You want help from me? Okay, so she wants help from me, but let's do this. Roll the montage. all done? Should we turn it on? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's plug this in. I need to press this button right up here. Is it turned on?
Yeah.
Is it all lighting up? Yeah?
It's rainbow. Okay, so red to green to rainbow.
What colour are we going to have it all? So we can have it any colour you want.
Rainbow.
You want rainbow. So, basically we need to get a keyboard and a mouse sorted. We have got a monitor, but
What's a monitor?
a screen. Yeah? What you see things on. So we've got one of them already. We just need a keyboard and mouse.
Our brain is the computer, our eyes are the screen.
Right, there you go. You heard it here. Your brain is the computer, yeah.
Your eyes are the screen.
And your eyes are the screen. So there you go. So what we need to do is obviously synchronize everything with the motherboard so we can have all the colors that she wants. We need to install Windows on it obviously first before we do that.
What
Get a
are
keyboard.
Windows?
That's the operating system, what you actually do everything on. Okay? Yeah? If you want to check out some more information on that, we do have a PC Masterclass series that we'll link to as a playlist as well. But what we're going to do is get that all sorted and get a keyboard and mouse that we've got to kind of, pick out. And then we're good to go. So I guess that's it for now. But we'll get back to it and get that all done, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. So we've got the computer all built up. As we said, we've got the keyboard and mouse. This is only actually temporary because I think this doesn't really go with the whole kind of theme. Everything's quite minimalistic, and then we've got quite a big keyboard with the Roccat Horde Amo and just a cheap Cooler Master mouse that I had laying around. So I'm probably going to end up getting some other sort of peripherals to really sort of, get everything going. Ellie's been playing her favourite game, which is?
The Sims 4.
Yeah, so she's been playing The Sims 4 at the moment, designing characters and stuff. So what do you think of your new computer?
Good.
Right. So you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your favourite part of it?
Where it's all white.
Where it's all white. And do you like all the lights and everything inside as well?
Yeah, sometimes I even sleep with the lights on. Because he doesn't turn it off by the wall.
Ah. So there is actually going to be a part 2 of this as well. Basically in part 2, AOC Philips have sent us another monitor, which is just a little bit better than this one. So essentially part 2 is going to be a little bit of an upgrade. So we're going to change the monitor and potentially we're going to take exactly the same system and maybe look at fitting a custom loop in it, probably with soft tubing. So let me know in the comments section below if you want to see that kind of thing. And that's pretty much it really. So yeah, you happy?
Yeah, but he's got no eyebrows.
He's got no eyebrows. There you go. Problems, already. No eyebrows on the Sims character. But there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. And I will see you in the next one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. Alright.
I don't want to break it.
You're not going to break it. Alright. I might though.
How are you? How are you?
How am I?
Make me look amazing.
Hells, the cameras are rolling. You can't just walk out like this, little diva.
Say action when you're ready.
I will.
Cepillo cooler. With my head in it.
Living in a box. Living in a cardboard box. I'm living in a box.